What's going on, Fit Fam? It's Connor. Welcome back to Forum Punch Series. Today we got uppercuts. Uppercuts look like this. Alright, let's break down that uppercut for you. Alright, we're going to break it down into 3 steps: drop, load, and explode. But first, find your fight stance, fight guard. That first step is that drop. Alright, we're going to drop that arm into a 90-degree angle, keeping the elbow nice and tucked towards that rib cage. Another thing is that palm's always going to face up on uppercuts. Easy way to remember that. And we want to keep a nice straight wrist, nice and strong. All right, we just went over that drop portion. Keeping that 90-degree angle is probably the most important part here. The next step is that load. We're going to load our body up so that we have a quick explosion at the end. So that load portion is going to be a small squat. We like to say a quarter of a squat because we don't want to go all the way down to the floor. We want to keep our knees bent, but we're going to rotate our opposite shoulder so it's facing the bag, and you're going to take your opposite hand and cover your face for it. All right, so we just went over the drop, we went over the load aspect, and now we're going to go over the explosion, the best part of the punch. All right, when that explosion part happens, the hips are what's going to initiate the punch. We're going to drive the hips up and not into the bag. We don't want to lean forward, you're going to be way off balance. We always want to stay stable. So we want to make sure that the hips are coming up. Now with the upper body, we want to take our lead arm and drive it right towards the bag. What's going to happen is that punch is going to go right down the middle, and your opposite shoulder is going to snap back. It's going to be a very quick succession. It's going to look like this. You're going to notice how I brought my hand right back up to my face. We always talk about bringing your hand back to the path of least resistance. All right, team, final points here. I just want to make sure that we're clear on this, that we're throwing the punch with the body and not the arm. All right, we did the drop, load, and explode, and you're going to notice my arm never swung back. That's so important because we want to make sure that we're keeping a stable body and driving with the hips. All right, as soon as I connect with the bag, you're going to notice my elbow does leave my rib cage slightly, but that's only when my body's fully extended and need to make that contact with the bag. All right, just make sure that we're using the whole body for that uppercut. One more time. Thanks for watching Forum on the Punch Series, especially the uppercuts. We'll see you in class. That good? Thank you.